avocado toast for breakfast on sourdough bread, and I love adding red cherry tomatoes. I'm obsessed. They're so good when they're roasted with garlic and salt. On my avocado spread, I like to add lemon and salt. I just love lemon. So for my outfit of the day, I'm wearing this beautiful pink halter top that I got from Zara. I had been wanting some more pink tops, so I'm so happy that I found this one. I love the embroidery on it. It makes me feel so girly and feminine wearing pink. I love pink. Pink is my favorite color. And I'm pairing it with these white linen pants for a more comfortable look here at home. And I also ended up getting another top from Zara. This one is in a beautiful lilac color. It has polka dots on it in this satin material, and I love this lace detail on it. These colors are so beautiful together, and it's also so flattering on. I just love that they make me feel so girly. And Zara has some beautiful earrings in their collection right now. I picked out 2 pairs, including the ones that I have on. The ones that I have on have this beautiful ombre effect with the yellow, orange, light pink, and hot pink colors. And then these here have some pink gems with a white stone. And I love them so much. I ended up ordering 2 more pairs online, so they should be coming in the mail, and I'll show you a picture of those. But yeah, I'm so happy with my Zara haul. So I am organizing my makeup vanity. I recently got some Chanel makeup, so I thought I'd show you guys a little haul. I already do own some Chanel makeup, so I also thought I'd show you guys my Chanel makeup collection. If you do order online, you get this cute little pouch. So starting with my lipstick that I'm wearing, it's the Rouge Coco Satin Lipstick. This one's in the shade 104 Mademoiselle. It's a mauve pink color, and this one's a satin lipstick, so it has a gloss to it. And yeah, the packaging is super cute. I feel like it makes me happy getting ready and seeing my Chanel makeup all laid out. It's so beautiful. And on my cheeks, I have on the Chanel Lip and Cheek Balm in the shade number 5, Lively Rosewood. It's a beautiful rosy pink color. And as soon as I put it on, I fell in love with this color, and I need to try it on my lips just to see how that looks. I also got 2 longwear lip pencils in the shade number 162 Nude Brun and number 158 Rose Naturel. And I swatched them already on my hand. Rose Natural is like a warm pink, and Nude Brun is like a dark peach color. And each lip pencil comes with its own sharpener. Super classic, love this. And they're super smooth. I already tried them, and they are long wear because I have on my hand, and if I try to rub, they like stay put. And they also have a blending brush on one of the ends to smooth it out. Another blush, this one's the Cream 2 Powder Blush in the shade Granat Profonde. It's a red blush, and it comes in this beautiful velvet pouch. I heard a TikTok of a Victoria's Secret makeup artist saying how she uses red blush on the Victoria's Secret models. I decided to get this red blush from Chanel. I don't know which blush she uses, but as long as it's red. And it has a perfume scent to it. I like it. It smells so good. I also got the Le Beige's Healthy Glow Bronzing Cream in the shade 395 Soil Tan Deep Bronze. And yes, the packaging is beautiful. And I saw some reviews and people were saying that it takes years to finish this, so that's pretty exciting. But yes, I'm excited to try this. I also own a Le Rouge Duo Ultra Gloss. This is in the shade number 43 Sensual Rose. It has a matte lip color on one end, and on the other end it has a shiny gloss. I also got a multi-use glow stick. This one's in the shade Solar Glow. It's like a coppery highlight, and I feel like this will be beautiful with the bronzer, just to have like that beautiful bronzy makeup look. I want to try that, and I could even put this on my eyelids. So I'm excited to play around with this. Yeah, in another makeup haul that I did, I mentioned how I got a Dior eyelash curler, so I just had to get a Chanel eyelash curler, and it's so beautiful. Lastly, I got the Chance Chanel perfume, the Eau Tendre scent, and this one's the beautiful pink bottle. I want all the colors. I want the green one, the purple one. They all smell so good. This one smells delicious. Yes. And I'm excited to add this Chanel perfume to my perfume collection. So my makeup vanity is getting a makeover. I am adding some beautiful wallpaper. I got this wallpaper from Love Shack Fancy. It's so beautiful. And I already did this wall. Still need the other half. But yeah, I'm excited to see the final look. But for now, I'm just organizing my makeup.